Hey Bob, it's a hat backwards type of day.
It is a hat backwards type of day, and we're out here getting ready for family reunion.
Yeah.
There's a sweet thing that you and your brother made years ago.
Kyle made an air can in 2008. Ted redesigned it in 2018.
So today we gotta make sure it works.
Yeah. So it's an air cannon, super cool. We'll tell you a little bit more about it once we're next to it. But
let's go find it. I wore my bulletproof vest just in case this guy gets trigger happy.
What's up, Bobby?
What's up, Brian?
Hey, today we need to test the air cannon for the family reunion.
Family reunion's coming in hot. We need to make sure this thing's ready. It's gonna be shooting Walker Ware to the crowd, t-shirts, other things.
Thought we'd show off the versatility of the B27X, catch some t-shirts in the back of these machines. Bob is safety first guy today. Has his vest
safety
on.
first nerd. I got my bulletproof vest on. It'll stop 223. I think it'll stop your air cannon if you get a little trigger happy.
Introduce Max, gonna be shooting t-shirts ass today. Show you a little bit of the air cannon, and then see if we can play a little game of 500. Actually, every t-shirt's 500.
Every t-shirt's 500.
It's a walk-off.
It's an automatic win.
It's a walk-off.
Automatic win. You catch it in the utility bed, you automatically win.
Yeah.
Let's check out the air cannon. Let's talk to Max.
All right. Here's the air cannon. My son Max gonna be shooting the t-shirts ass today. So, semi-automatic air cannon, have a retractable bolt, locks in these PVC shells. We have t-shirts loaded. Cycles through. Max, cycle a couple shells for me. All right, so bolt cycles and then shells come out. So anyway,
how many? What kind of PSI are we running?
We're gonna run like around 100 PSI. We have
it's not here, so we have no idea what that equates to barrel speed.
We don't know.
Velocity.
You're running 120.
Oh, 120.
You have to listen. You have to give us a shot at catching these things, okay?
Give us some
slow and steady. We're not what we used to be. We're kind of old.
40 now.
So just be nice to us, all right, Max?
All right.
Okay,
hey,
here we go.
First one to catch a t-shirt in the utility bed wins.
All right,
let's go. Full throttle, baby.
I know.
All right. He's gonna play dirty. I know he is. I just hope we don't break a lawnmower. We're gonna actually need these. Hey,
don't run into me.
Don't run into me.
Oh, coming in, baby. Let's go. Oh, no. Oh, I got it. Oh, dang it. Oh, what a miss. What a miss. Oh, no! That was good! Oh, yeah! Get it! Oh, no! Mine! Oh! You gotta be kidding me! Bob! Oh,
You! 20 shots and we didn't get it?
it's so hard.
It's not that hard though. We can get it.
It's not that hard. Oh, no! That was it! This is crazy! Hi. Oh! It was in! But it didn't stay! Ah! Bob!
Come on! I figured it out. No.
Bob! That's
baby.
you!
Oh,
That's
go.
you, Bob! Oh! That was so close! Oh! Dang it! Last one, shoot! Oh! Dang it! Yeah! What a pass!
I want to rematch.
Last one! Yes! That felt so good. And then the sound of that just
And you did it right in front of it.
Oh.
All right, the B27iX did not disappoint.
No.
10 miles an hour going forward turned out to be the ticket.
It did.
I was trying to go backwards to collect them. That's not the ticket. Here's your trophy.
Thank
Congratulations.
you. Thank you.
There you go. You can keep that one. We have some other cool Walker wear. Let's
Hey, 3XL. First one to comment.
See it.
Yeah, I'll sign that thing, send it to you. 3XL coming your way.
cool
All right.
Walker wear coming in for, you can go on walkerwear.com, check out that one. What other cool things
All right, we got another one here. Oh, Walker Power Truck.
So that logo, a semblance of that logo on the commemorative machine, you can check that out. Looks awesome.
Yeah.
Max, what's the last one?
Yeah.
Oh, that's one of my favorite ones, actually.
The American
Love
flag
that one.
shirt.
We only have a couple of those left.
Silhouette
People are
American
gonna-
flag shirt.
Those are very limited.
Jump on walkerwear.com.
All right, this is a lot of fun, Ryan. Shows a B27iX, not in a mowing environment necessarily,
Yeah.
but shows some attributes you were able to get the same-
Maneuverability, yeah, all the
the
things
agility of the Walker
that
Mowers.
makes this
looking
machine
great.
special. Yeah.
Come to a family reunion with us. We're gonna have a blast. We'll have a little competition, kind of like this at the family reunion, where you can maybe win a lawnmower. We'll see.
Yeah. Max,
So-
good job shooting shirts today.
Thanks.
Max, you had that thing dialed in.
You were lobbing some out pretty nice at the end there. You got dialed in. Appreciate your help today.
Yeah.
All right, so Bob, looking for the family reunion, September 18th. Come see us. We're gonna have fun things like this at the reunion. Skateboard racing, their go-karts that we made growing up, t-shirt cannons, obstacle course racing. Top 3 finishers in the obstacle course. 3 Walker Mowers. We're giving 3 Walker Mowers away to the 3 top finishers. So come be a part of it. But it's just a really fun family atmosphere. A lot of things for kids to do. A lot of things for adults to do. We're gonna have factory tours. So just all kinds of stuff.
I want a rematch on September 18th.
Bring it.
All right. See you guys next time.
All right, take care.
Hey,
if I
this is why I wore this. He gets this crazy idea. He's actually gonna shoot me.
we have to do a walker wear drop. So if I hit your head though, I'll take you to Costco and get you a Costco.
All right,
dog.
deal. I want a chicken bake.
I'll
want
do a
chicken
chicken bake. If it's a headshot, I'll do a chicken bake.
Do I get to keep the Walker Wear shirt?
Yes.
All right, I'll do it for the Walker Wear shirt. Let's go.
This is 32 PSI.
Like and subscribe.
All right. You good, Bobby?
Yeah.
Yeah! Bobby!
That was a good shot. Good shot. All right, nice work. All right, I get to keep it.